Marie, when are they gonna start filming this live action Aristocats movie? Spoiler alert! They're trying. Oh, Marie, I just left the door open. Look, I don't know what to do. Look, Marie, I know they're gonna film Aristocats in live action. I don't know what to do because when they start filming this movie, it's gonna take place in London like Pinocchio. But what is it, Marie? I thought it was gonna be CG or a real cat. Well, I know that Bambi's happening. I know that my movie is going to happen pretty soon in live action. When you see Pinocchio, Snow White, Bambi, and I know that the live action Aristocats movie will be CG or real cats. Spoiler alert, movie. Oh, quiet! Your mom's downstairs. Right. What about the dishwasher? Again? Really? Don't avenge on